really are unprecedented times that we're living in. With all of that comes a lot of adjusting and a lot of learning how to do things differently. And that includes us here at HeatPressNation. If you follow us online, you've seen our posts, our videos, and blogs talking about how we're continuing to do business through the COVID-19 pandemic. Our entire office staff has made the move from working here at the office to working from their homes. And though we're at home ready to take your calls, our shipping teams are still at our warehouses across the country, ready to ship your orders. And we're very proud of our shipping teams, as they've been working continuously to help keep your businesses running by making sure your orders are shipped from our 5 warehouses. We're truly thankful for them. But it's no secret that as hard as we've been working to get your orders out on time, there have been some shipping delays. As we monitor the situation, we've been adjusting our operations based on the guidelines set by the government, just like many other companies across the country. All in-stock orders will be shipped, but the processing time may be a few days more than what's typical. Words can't express exactly how much we appreciate your continued business and your patience during this time. We're committed to providing you the very best service no matter what challenges arise. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to visit us at HeatPressNation.com. Thank you.